everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Alicia, and today I have a kind of like a first impressions get ready with me style video review. This is the Anastasia Riviera palette, their brand new one that just launched like this week, and as you can see, this palette is super I did struggle in the beginning. The reason why is because I kind of created a look I did not like, so it's not the palette's fault. I used Mediterranean, which I really like this color. It's really pretty, but it's just kind of too dark for what I was feeling today. I don't know. So I did go with this bright look. I used the gold yellow in the inner corners and like the pretty sagels on the rest of the eye. If you want to see my thoughts and opinions and how this baby works, then let's get started. Oh, I also got this Anastasia this highlighter. It's in the shade Snowflake, and you can see my opinion on those two. I only got these two products from their new collection. Let's just say one I liked and one I didn't. So today I'm going to be playing with the Riviera palette. I'm super excited. I got this yesterday, and it's a stunning palette for people who love color. I feel like they finally listened to everyone in Trend Mood's comments, because let's be honest, everyone is very mean on those. The camera though, it does look a little bit more brighter than I feel like in person. It looks like, at least the shimmers look a lot more muted. Yeah, the mattes do too. That's really crazy how like it picks up, but it's really pretty. I'm super excited to play with it. I don't know what this is, and my kitchen is breaking out. I'm really trying to fix it. I'm just gonna put my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion on in Eden. I'm taking the shade Sails, and I'm just putting that all over my lid. Look at it, we just created like a blank canvas. So I'm going to take the shade Estate, which is the transition shade right there, and I'm just going to work this onto my crease as my transition shade. Now I'm going to go into the shade Coastaline, which is this shade right there. It's like that orangey peachy shade, and I'm going to apply this onto there too. I'm gonna go into the shade Cabana, and I'm gonna just put it. I'm gonna use the shade Monte Carlo, which is that kind of mauve-y pink shade. I'm gonna spray my brush, and I'm first gonna just go into the shimmer shadows. I'm gonna actually take the shade Inheritance, which is this pretty yellow gold shade, and I'm gonna just put that in the inner corner. I'm gonna take these shade called Sagels. Sorry, I can't pronounce stuff. And I'm gonna mesh. Ooh, that's so pretty. It like makes kind of like a green color, kind of. That blend though, like it really does make the like, so like when you mix the two, it makes the middle green, and it just like blends very well with each other. Now I'm gonna take the shade Palm, which is that dark brown there, and I'm gonna just darken up this right here. I'm just going over those shimmer shades again because I feel like they kind of lost. So I'm kind of actually going to drag the blue onto the edge. This palette is already so dirty. Like, that's what my palette looks like now. I'm going to go in with this Stila Microtip eyeliner. It's just that, and I'm going to line my eyes, and it's a microtip, so it's going to be very thin. Damn, this makes it so easy. I haven't tried this before. So the lashes I'm going to use are these. These are the Ardell Faux Mink Wispies. just kind of wish I went with a different lash. This is the No Poreblem primer. I'm gonna wear my YSL All Hours foundation. I haven't worn this in a little bit, and this was my favorite foundation. With my Born This Way full coverage multi-use sculpting concealer. For powder, I'm going to use my Mercier setting powder. I'm going to use my new, this is the new palette from Casey Holmes. This is the, I keep wanting to use the eyeshadow palette, but I keep forgetting. So I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer, and it's in the shade Deep Bronze. So I'm just going to bronze my face up with it. Now for my least favorite part, I'm going to do my brows. I'm gonna go back into the Riviera palette, and I'm gonna use that white shade and called Sails, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take the shade Coastal Lean, and I'm gonna smoke this on my lash line. This is like an teensy teensy tiny like eyeliner brush, and I'm gonna spray it wet. And I'm gonna get my Inheritance shade line. I'm gonna mimic. I'm gonna take my banana, it's broken, but this is my Banana Brighten Up from Essence. I'm taking the Waterproof Clump Crusher from CoverGirl. I like to use this on the bottom line so then my mascara won't smear onto my under eyes because it's waterproof. I'm gonna take the shade Know Me, which is this pretty pink right there. That's blush. And for highlighter, I'm really excited because I get to use this new one. This is the Anastasia highlighter, like literally gorgeous packaging. This is in the shade Snowflake. So I thought that the So Hollywood one was going to be a little too, oops. Ah! Oh. It like disappeared. Like that. I'm gonna take my I Think I Love You palette and just put that shade in my inner corner. I'm just gonna use my Amrezy highlight. I'm gonna use my All Nighter setting spray. Buxom lip gloss in Sandy. I like the eyes, I do. I just don't like the lashes I'm wearing because I feel like I could have gotten the same effect with my mascara, which kind of sucks. I'm not really having a good makeup day. For some reason, my under eyes look very baggy right now. And this foundation used to be like my favorite foundation, the YSL All Hours foundation, but right now I look really, really textured and cakey. Maybe it'll look better throughout the day because that's how some foundations are, which is really, really weird. So you probably are all wondering how the Riviera palette is. I liked it. I think it's really, really beautiful. It's pigmented. It blends really, really nicely. This will not definitely be an everyday palette for sure. I mean, who wears these colors every day? No one. But I think it's really fun to just kind of step out of your comfort zone. I love Anastasia. Anastasia is my favorite brand, my favorite formula, and I really love this palette. And I think if you're eyeing it, I think you should get it because it's 42, I think, 42, right? And it's some pretty colors that blend really, really nicely and are pretty pigmented. And the packaging is really cute. It's different. And it's cute. The thing I was very, very disappointed on, which I low-key want to return it because I'm like, oh, is this. This is the Anastasia, the loose highlighter. I feel like just like in general, loose highlighters are a little hard to work with because they're loose and I feel like they're a little dry. It's gonna give me more of like a sparkles, which I love the sparkles. Like with my Fenty, I love the sparkles. But with this, I was not impressed with it because the sparkles were just like, I would blend it and the blending would just like, it would kind of like just like disappear. If you guys liked and enjoyed, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. I know this isn't my best makeup look and my best day for having it. I kind of am disappointed too, but I kind of just wanted to get this out. This is a first impressions. First impressions don't go well usually. I think I want to do a 3 looks 1 palette with this. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.